Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So today I will show you how to install a tire pressure monitor system. So this thing can cost between $20 to $300, depending on the brand you buy. And I bought the cheap one, so this one is $23. So it's give you the time in the middle, and then you got the front tire on the top and the bottom tire pressure on the bottom. So the setting is basically you press the bottom button, you hold on to it. So you want it in PSI, or you can switch back to bar. But here we're using PSI, so PSI. And then you got all the other options like the tire. This is the tire temperature in F or C, and then you got so this for the alarm, the alert. If the tire pressure go low under 20, you alert me, because the front tire, I set it for the front tire. The front tire is supposed to be 26. So if anything go down below 20, then will alert me, or anything higher than 33 will alert me. And since the bottom is 32, manufacturer tire pressure is 32, I'll go 26 and high 33. So you got all the other settings and the time, and that's it. Now, a lot of people complain and say, "Oh, this thing is not accurate." Well, it's not. I don't care if it's accurate or not. It's maybe about 1 to 2 psi different. But the whole point is, it doesn't matter if you buy the $300 one. Is you're not gonna get 100% accuracy on the psi, on the pressure. So it doesn't matter for me. The whole point I want this is so I know that my tire is not completely flat out, so that's the whole point. So you want, because this tire, as you can see, is very low, so you really cannot tell if it's go completely flat or it's almost flat. So by having this, you will have an estimate of how your tire is, instead of you have to go and use the tire pressure check to check it every time. So that's a big hassle. And also this is a big bonus to have a timer, to have the time in here, the clock in here. So, and this thing is good because also another bonus for this is if you leave it, if it's turned on based on vibration. So if you leave it on your scooter for a long time and it's not running, so there's no vibration, this thing will go to sleep mode, and then it will wake up when you turn on your scooter. So if you turn on the scooter, there's vibration, this thing will turn on. So when you're riding, it's always turn on, and when you leave it, it will turn off. So ain't that's a cool, very cool feature. So I have this on. I have this installed on my motorcycle too, as you can see. I'll leave it right here. But the one for my motorcycle, I have the solar charger, and this one just the plain one. But it doesn't matter. This thing based on the test I did on my motorcycle, is lasts almost a month and a half before the battery drain out. And then they have the plug in the back right here. You can charge it like maybe an hour, and then you can use for a month and a half. So that's a pretty good deal. So let me show you how to install it. So you got two sensors here, the top and the bottom. So the set FW, that's for front, and RW is for the rear. And they give you the mount right here for the handlebar mount, since scooter don't have a handlebar. So I'm just gonna tape it into the front. So this is the rear. So it's pretty easy to do. This is all they give it you. So you got kind of two spacer, and then you got this tool to tie it in. So it's pretty simple to do. Let me show you how I did it. Let's go this a little bit better. So this is what you do. So you're supposed to put on this one of this gold spacer thingy. You put it in first. Oh. So you put it in first. And then you put this in. So you put this in, you tie it up a little bit, so make sure it's not leak. And then after that, you rotate the spacer right here to lock it. And basically that's it. So the tool right here, this tool is for that. For tightening the thing up. Tie both. So it lock up, it won't get loose. So that's it for the front, and let's do for the back. And the back is right here. So I already pumped my tire to the right pressure, so I don't need to check the pressure anymore. But it's so cool to have this thing. Because I don't have to go and check my tire pressure all the time. Especially on this scooter. So that's it. As you can see, the back, and as you can see from the front, nice and tucked in. Everything looked good. So now you can check the monitor. Look at this. See the monitor? So the bottom is 33 and the front is 32. Now the front is a little high, I know, but you know, I can loosen this thing up a little bit to get to maybe 30, 20, 28 would be perfect for the front. So I can do 28 on the front. So the same thing. I just loosen this up a little bit so it won't get on crazy. So I was able to get down to the magic number, which is 28 in the front, 33 in the back. So that's a good number. So now all I need to do is just mount it somewhere right here with double-sided tape. and I should be good to go. So I just installed on the dashboard, so let me show you how it look like. See, that's it. See how cool it is? So I tape it on with a double side, and it's pretty secure. I don't think it's gonna fall off. And then I got the other side is the RPM. So I got 132 hour driving this, riding the scooter. So see, look at that, isn't that cool? All right, and so that's it. So you have a scooter or a motorcycle, I definitely recommend you to have this. So that's it. I will see you guys on the next video. Okay? Alright, bye.